A simple style that would add pizzazz to your Sisterlocks is while your hair is damp, braid it and let it completely dry, and you will love the results. First, you want to section your hair and add a few drops of oil to the scalp region, pulling the oil down the strands, making sure to rub the oil on your ends. As you braid your hair, gently section it and begin braiding loosely from the scalp to the ends of your hair. When your hair is damp, your scalp is pliable and your hair is as well, so gently braid your hair, leaving a little space between the scalp and the braid. Do not braid tight, for this will eventually damage your hair and cause weakness to the strands. So gently braid your hair all the way to the ends, making sure to gather all the hair down into the braids. When you get to the ends, be extra gentle and turn the ends under for a great texture and a little curl. Tuck it under 1 time and 2 times, securing it with a soft rubber band. One, 2. Let your hair completely dry. Sometimes it takes a couple of days. You can wear this style under a hat or just as is, without using heat. Look at that texture. The larger the braids, the larger the texture. And the ends have just a soft curl at the end without it being straight. This style is my favorite. It's my favorite go-to. And as you can see, there's no stress. The hair is beautiful. The style is great. Enjoy! Visit us for your Sisterlocks products at beautifulhairproducts.com.